Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're mannequin unboxing. Today I have some help from my best friend Bo. He's over to show how easy it is to put together a mannequin. I ordered this off of Amazon, and I will have a link for it down below in the description box if you want to get one. Unfortunately, Miss Busty LaRue is going to go back. She's fiberglass and she's really heavy and hard to work with. This particular mannequin is plastic and super lightweight, and that way I'm able to maneuver her all by myself without having to call for help. Well, that's all there is to it. In less than 10 minutes, you have a mannequin that you can dress with all your fabulous tie-dye. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you get notified of future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.